What's going on, guys? It's St. Foster here, and today I'm gonna do a review of a tornado siren. I think so.
That was so close. Okay, tell me when you're done.
Attention everyone, there is a big storm coming tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Really? What the heck? Dad, it's true. We're having a...
Yeah, this is actually a siren right here. Be careful, because it's about to go off. Here it goes.
Wait, try and make...
Ah, it's loud.
What sound do your phone make when there's a tornado?
They go beep, beep. You know, they do that. Oh, that's loud, ow. Do any of you guys hear it over there?
Not so loud for me.
It's probably about to go off again. It's probably going to sound more different. Oh, go over there, Wyatt, so it doesn't hurt your ears.
Doesn't hurt my ears. Dude. Dude, how loud.
No, this is just a regular tornado siren. Ah! Done. Yeah, that's our siren. That's our tornado siren. Let's take a farther distance. Yeah, that's what it looks like over there. That's it.